In this video, we will do a search in the Scopus database to find research articles on the topic of the impact of sustainability of fashion to consumer behavior. Here are the relevant search terms for the topic: fashion and clothes, sustainability and ecological, and consumer behavior. Next, we need to choose the search technique suitable for this search. By using truncation mark, we can include all forms of the word into our search. Note that truncation mark should be used cautiously and the word should not be truncated too short. For this topic, for example, it is not necessary to truncate the word fashion or ecological. However, by adding the asterisk symbol after the word cloth, words like clothes and clothing will be included in the search. By truncating the word sustainability, you can also find the word sustainable. For the concept of consumer behavior, it is best to use phrase search. When consumer behavior is enclosed in quotation marks, the words will be searched as a phrase, connected one after the other. In Scopus, truncation mark can be used within quotation marks when needed. Add the required number of search boxes by clicking on the Add Search Field button. Place the words that fall under the same topic in their own search box. Use the OR operator between alternative concepts and the AND operator between the search boxes. Article title, abstract, keywords is the default search type. You can target the search to different search fields from the options listed in the drop-down menu. By selecting article title, you can focus the search on titles only. This will give you a smaller search result. For our current topic, the words fashion and clothes will be searched in titles. The search is done by clicking on the search button. The default order of the result list is newest first. You can change it so that the most relevant search results are shown first. The search results can be narrowed down by using the narrowing tools found on the left. For the current topic, we will limit the search result to publications that are no more than 5 years old. The search result can also be narrowed down by discipline in the subject area section. In the keyword section, you can look for more keywords relevant for your topic. You can narrow the result to articles published in peer-reviewed journals by first selecting options Journal in the source type section, and then by selecting Article and Review in the document type section. The choices are confirmed by clicking on the Limit To button. Next, we will take a closer look at the first article in the results list. By clicking on the title, we can see the detailed reference information and read the abstract. Scopus is a citation database. The Cited By section contains publications that refer to the selected article. From the reference list, you can look for older publications on the same topic. The Back to Results link takes you back to the search results list. The search result list can also be organized according to the number of citations. Selecting Cited by highest from the drop-down menu brings the most cited articles to the top of the list. You can export reference data to a reference manager program, for example as a RIS file, by selecting one or several articles from the result list and clicking on the export link. Scopus contains reference information and abstracts, but it's not a full-text database. However, you can check the availability of the full text through the linking service.